how you doing guys today? I hope so, you're keeping well like always. Now I'm in Sanur beach. It's super quiet here. Behind me is the Prama hotel and the bamboo bar. I forgot the name, bamboo something bar. If you're familiar, you know what I mean. I don't feel super well today. I had completely different plans for today's vlog. So today I will have a slow ride into the Sanur main roads and little bit of shooting here. I hope so you will enjoy it. I read a lot of comments from the few past videos about the riding. Generally you guys really liked and enjoying my vlogs of riding. However, some of you are saying as the drive is too fast, it's difficult to watch, and of course some people is thinking that it's little bit danger. So today I will drive in Sanur very slow, something between 25-35 km/h. If it's too slow, let me know in the comments below. Anyway, I hope so you will enjoy it. For everyone who miss Bali, who miss Sanur, this vlog is perfect for you. Like always, if you are new on the channel, consider to subscribe, because we do vlog every single day without any exceptions. Even I don't feel well, anyway it will be the vlog. Never give up. So if you like it, share, comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. And see you tomorrow guys, something new like always. And enjoy today's vlog. First view person drive right into the Sanur main roads with the nice music in the background. See you guys.
Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not. And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy ending. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you. What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song? 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Who's wrong and who's right? I cannot decide, 'cause I'm sober tonight. I cannot escape, I'm here till it breaks. Oh, how my heart aches. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Still rolling the dice, still hoping to find a future for me. I'm still in this fight, I pray for the night to go easy on me. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Why do you still the shadows.